Okay, guys, I did it. I figured out how to import AppleCore into Psych. I don't know how to pronounce it, but some engine. Hold on, let me just show it real quick. This right here. This. So I imported an AppleCore in it, which, if you don't know what it is, it's from versus Dave and Bambi. Hold on, let me show you it. Oh, God. Okay, hold on. Hold on, guys. I am having, good excuse. Technical difficulties right now. Okay, golden apple. Then songs. AppleCore. Okay. So this is the AppleCore. This isn't the voices. As you can hear, don't worry, it's not gonna have cursing. But I don't put too long in my videos. But this is, I looked through the files, and now I'm gonna show you that I imported it into here. Oh God, that's loud. Okay, so as you can see, it doesn't have any icon. It's not gonna be that good. It's just gonna be the same notes in the same song. So I put all those files in the game, so this should work. I don't know how to put the camera in. Okay, right. Yeah, good. Okay. This should work. There might be some bugs, but I'll mute on the parts that swear. That curse, you know what I mean. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. Don't end up cursing. Okay.
3 hours. 3 hours. Thanks for watching. So don't try this at home because that's gross. Well, bye.
Hold on, just try to get this to a better angle so you can see the outside. I'm honestly actually really bad at this. Okay, step better. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm bad at. Okay, that was embarrassing. That was honestly embarrassing. Okay, I imported the whole thing. I tried some of it. There's some bugs. Some of this sound when it's syncing. Maybe I'll upload this to Game Banana if I can.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'll try. I'll try to upload it to Game Banana.
That was suck.
Okay.
3 hours. 3 hours.
Okay, AppleCore.
Thanks for watching. So don't
I'm
try
actually
this at home.
just gonna beat this right now.
Well,
I've never recorded footage of Fire Night or anything.